Hi guys, it's Marilyn here. I'm just ready to work in my design team's project for my creative scrapbook. But first, I want to share you the March 2020 limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. Let me show you first the paper, and I'm a paper lover. So for me, this is the important part always. I just love paper. And look, this gorgeous paper. It is from the Pretty Mosaic collection by Prima Marketing. Oh, it's beautiful. Look, all this butterfly, and you can cut. Oh, look the back. Oh, this is gorgeous. The tiles. And look, you have sentiments in the strip on the bottom. Look, this other. It's so pretty. Love the handwritten. Oh, pretty. And on the back, it has this flower and this one with foil. So nice. Oh, look this pretty paper. Oh, love it too. Love the color. Look the gold, the foil, the gold, the flowers, the butterflies. So pretty. And on the back too. It's nice. Also, you get this one with the small flowers. Oh, look, these are bees. Oh, love it. Nice. Ah, look the bag. It looks like a tile, the bathroom tiles. Pretty. Look this one. Oh, it's the same. You get two of this paper and also two of this one. Nice, because I love to cut all these things. You get this other with the big flowers and the gold foil. So pretty. Oh, look the bag. Very nice. Love this the texture. Oh, look this one. Oh, it is my favorite so far. Love it. Very beautiful. Nice. And on the back is a simple too, but this part, oh, and you get other paper of this one. So you get two of these paper, and these are the papers of this month that I am in love with them. Let me show you the rest of the kit. You get this month a package of ephemera from the same Pretty Mosaic collection by Prima Marketing, and it has 36 pieces. Let me open and I will show you. Okay, it is a little tricky. Okay, I will show you some of the pieces. You get cards like this one that you can use for journaling, for cards. For sure I'm going to use in my layouts. You got clocks, different flowers, butterflies, small cards, a tag. Let me see what else. Oh, you got in good company. Love it. Butterflies, a cup with flowers, a bee. Oh, I love the tiny bee. Look, these other many lovely pieces to play with. It is very chubby, and I love that. You get many pink butterfly and more butterflies. Another sentiment: be kind, be happy. Love it. Love all the pieces. Okay, let me put all this in the package, and now let me show you what is next. You receive a package of creative embellishments chipboard. Let me open this. Oh, these are words. Let me put it in a piece of cardstock. Okay, you get happiness, sparkle, delight, shine, and beauty. Love it. Nice. From Creative Embellishment. Okay, let me put this here. Let me move. What next? Oh, you get a package of floral stamp by Bomboni. Love it. so pretty to add texture on the background. Let me see what else you get. Oh, a package of chipboard, 45 pieces of chipboard from the same Pretty Mosaic collection. They are very lovely. Look all the and the colors, so beautiful. And last but not least, you get 3 packages of Prima flowers. Look these beauties. Beauty. Look, this one with the big flowers. You also have some leaves and small flowers in this package. In this other you have 12 roses. Lovely. And in this package you get 36 pieces. You get a flower in 3 colors. I love that this package, the flowers are small. Okay, I had to edit this part, the voice in this video, this part, because I already showed you my first video tutorial with this kit and I forgot to show you the unboxing video. But if you didn't watch my previous video with this kit, here you can click here and go to the video. I let you in the description box down below the link to the kit and my social media, and I see you soon with other video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.